Tubular type scaffolding. A tubular type scaffolding is a building consisting of annular pipes that are sewn together into a building and tied tightly using scaffolding pipe clamps. This type of scaffolding can be adjusted in height, width, and length according to construction requirements. Frame type scaffolding. Frame type scaffolding is a scaffolding in the form of a round pipe frame has been made and is commonly used by many contractors in Indonesia. This type of scaffolding has a fixed size, so it is very limited to modify this type of scaffolding, especially in very narrow locations. Things that must be considered when installing scaffolding. If you are a contractor and have to use the service of a third party to procure scaffolding and installation service, make sure a few things. 1. Material and tools are still suitable for use and pass safety inspection. 2. The ability of third parties to supply all scaffolding needs in the field. 3. Competitive price and still within your budget. When viewed from the work process, there are several things that must be considered so that scaffolding installation work can be optimal, including 1. Preparation work, 2. Installation work, 3. Inspection work, 4. Dismantle work, and 5. Material and tool mobilization. Benefit used on tubular type scaffolding. Advantages. 1. Can be used in all construction work, especially in oil and gas and petrochemical projects. 2. Because it has a skilled and trained workforce, so there is no doubt about its abilities and expertise. 3. Can be installed and modified as needed in the field. 4. Can be installed in a narrow area. 5. Very suitable for use in very high and large construction. Disadvantage. 1. The rental price is more expensive than the frame type scaffold. 2. In one set use a lot of scaffolding materials, supporting materials, and tools. 3. The installation process needed a long time. 4. Must be a certified workforce, so they cannot be replaced by other construction workers. Benefit used on frame type scaffolding. Advantage. 1. Can be used in all types of construction. 2. Can be installed by other construction workers other than scaffold. 3. Because the shape of the finished frame is ready to use, the installation does not require a long time. 4. The rental price is cheaper than the tubular type scaffolding. 5. In one set of scaffolding, you do not need much material scaffolding, supporting material, and tools. Disadvantage. 1. Its use is limited to the height of building. 2. Because it already has a fixed size, the installation and modification is very limited. 3. Cannot be installed in a narrow area. 4. Still less safe than tubular type scaffolding.